Hi, so please introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm McElvin Liceralde, 21 years old, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology here in DLSU-D University, that's my campus.
Where are you currently working?
I'm currently working at Boston International at Bonifacio Global City Technique.
What's your job position?
Okay, my job position is data processing specialist from Element 2. Yes.
So my first question is, what is Python for you?
For me, Python is programming language, of course, that helps, especially those beginners that who wants to learn programming, because Python is a simple language that it is not required to think a lot. Like the level of complexity of Python is that low compared to Java and C++ and other languages.
When did you start using Python?
I learned Python here in school when I was in third year college, and like we did some activities and projects, of course, for our subject and curriculum.
In what way does Python help you with your work?
We use Python, especially the software PyCharm, wherein we are because our job is to remediate files from that was given by our supplier in Argentina, and then we will process it through the help of PyCharm, which uses the Python language, and with the help of Microsoft Excel to manually remediate the file. So PyCharm or Python helps us to remediate files much easier and much faster.
Why is Python programming so much in demand nowadays?
I think because of its, as what I have said earlier, Python is very simple and very easy to read, and Python is a language that you can learn easier and faster compared to other languages.
On your point of view, what are the factors that has driven Python's growth?
For me, the factors that give Python its growth is, first and foremost, is the simplicity and the convenience of it to the users of Python. Second is data science libraries. Third is its frameworks. Fourth is Python being multi-purpose. And nowadays, companies and different companies merge using Python, because of course, if you have a lot of projects and you are using different programming languages.
Lastly, can you say that Python language will last long in the industry?
Yes, because from what I have read on data of Stack Overflow, the trending of different industries continuously using Python, and the trend goes like academic and electronics and government and manufacturing are the top 4 sectors in this industry that uses Python. So for continuous years that will go, I think Python will be continuously used by companies and industries nowadays.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ano yun?
So, yun na po. Thank you po sa pagpapanood.
Ayun po, ano?
Ayun po, no? So, thank you po.
Power.
Thank you po.
Power.
So, power po kay Steven Romero.
Power. Thank you.
Siya po ang ating editor. Ito po si Simon.
May sipon ako.
May sipon siya. At ako po, si JR. Taga-interview. At thank you kay MC.
Yung po, ano?
Yung po, no? So, salamat. Uwi na po tayo.
Yung po, ano?
Uwi na po tayo. Lunch break po ngayon. So, ayun po, no? So, ayun po, no? Ha? Anong transition? Thank you, MC.
Yes. Hindi lang ko yung nakantok. Nakatulog na ako.